welcome back. Welcome to Egypt in 5 minutes. Mohamed again. The Great Pyramid of Giza Plateau is still the most important building ever in Egypt. And today, Egypt in 5 minutes camera will take you inside on a nice tour to see how it looks like from inside. We believe the Great Pyramid stuff was stolen all. Everything inside the pyramid was taken by ancient thieves. And if you look carefully at the pyramid, you will notice that we have two entrances. The one on the top over there, this is the original one. And then there is a small one beneath it. You can see people getting in the pyramid from. This is supposed to be the entrance was made by thieves. And this is the one that you go inside the pyramid from if you come to visit the pyramid someday. And because we have Thieves Entrance, everything was stolen. So how the pyramid looks like? Was it inside job when the pyramid was stolen? All of that you will know if we go inside the pyramid together. We go! Welcome to Egypt in 5 minutes. This is very much the entrance of the Great Pyramid of Giza Plateau. And we just got in, and it doesn't look that beautiful. As you can see, it is not polished and it is not in a very good shape. This is because, believe it or not, this entrance was cut by thieves. And the thieves cut it in the pyramid to go inside, to be able to go in the rooms of the king and the burial chamber to steal and rob everything they can find in the pyramid. And I think myself it was inside job, because those people cut this entrance and they knew exactly that passageway. They knew the location and where this passageway was. And this passageway takes you inside the pyramid, and it takes you all the way to the grand gallery and also to the burial chamber of the king. If it is not inside job, how those people knew that this passageway they cut in the pyramid will lead them to the passageway to go inside? But before we go inside, I want to show you another thing here, which is crazy. The ancient Egyptians dug an amazing chamber underneath the pyramid. Believe it or not, it goes down for about 300 feet. Look how far it goes, which is amazing, just incredible. And at the end of this beautiful long passageway, you need to crawl to go inside, and then you are inside one of the biggest rooms in any pyramid in all of Egypt. Again, it goes down for 300 feet. But it is like the thieves did not care about this room because it was unfinished, and they knew maybe there's no treasures there because again it was inside job. And then they cut this passageway and they chiseled the granite. Look how they chiseled it. Those pieces of granite used to block this passageway because the ancient Egyptians finished the pyramid and they slid them down. So the thieves came, they cut this entrance and they came here and chiseled all of this granite, and they were able to get in this passageway. And look how far it goes. All the way to get inside the pyramid. After the end, or at the end of this passageway, we have the Grand Gallery, and at the end of the Grand Gallery, which is an amazing building, we have the Granite Room, which had the mummy of the Pharaoh and his treasures someday. If you are new to my channel, please like this video, and don't forget to subscribe so you can see everything new in the next time. It is like when you go inside, you walk a little bit, and then you hit the passageway that we are in right now. It is very much so steep and so long. Look at that. Look at that. So we came from down there all the way up here after we got in from the entrance. And then we walked in a passageway which is more than 150 feet long. And then we still keep walking. As you can see, we're going up, 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 up. At the end of this corridor, if you can see with the camera, there is a long tunnel. At the end of it, we found the room is known by the Queen's Chamber. The Queen's Chamber, we found it is unfinished inside this pyramid. And it is not the only room we have in this pyramid. We have another 2 rooms. Underneath this passageway and underneath the pyramid for 300 feet, we have a room was carved underneath the pyramid. And it's also unfinished, however, it's huge. But the most important thing we have in the pyramid however we have rooms and all of that, is what we call the Grand Gallery. And the Grand Gallery is the greatest thing ever built in any pyramid in Egypt. So far, we don't know why the Egyptians did it in a pyramid like that. Now look at the Grand Gallery. The most amazing building inside the Great Pyramid. To be continued.
If you enjoyed the video, please check out the other videos. You will love it.